Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, and a lot of it is back to school stuff. I'm not ready for the kids to get back to school. I'm not ready for summer to be over, and I know it's not, but I also know that when Dollar Tree and any other store gets in some of their back to school items, you don't necessarily want to hesitate on purchasing them. I'm going to share with you what I found, a lot of which, like I said, is back to school items. So the first thing I found are these bags, which again, I don't have a specific use in mind, but they're called tote organizers. And I did get two different ones. I got this one. These are a really good size. They're almost like I would almost say they're like the size of a sheet of paper, like 8.5 by 11. I don't know that for sure. And here's this one. These remind me of like they're like a vinyl material. And it may not be waterproof, I don't know, but it's at least water resistant. They have the zipper on top. And like I said, we haven't gone to the beach yet, so we may even end up using these as like the wet dry bags to throw a wet swimsuit in or something. They're not huge, but they are a good size. But I just thought they were really cute. Love this print specifically, but this is cute too. This could even be for like larger makeup items or something. But either way, really cute, and I was happy to get those. I have some basic items. I picked up these Post-it notes. I know they have an off-brand of Post-it notes there sometimes, but I'm happy to find the original because I do think these sometimes can stick a little better than the off-brand. It's a 2-pack for $1. Then I found these index cards, which that is a good stack of index cards. It's actually 200, and we will need these at some point throughout the year. It's a high polymer eraser, latex free, and so it comes with like this bigger eraser down here, but it also has the ones that you can put on the back of a pencil when that eraser wears down and you need a replacement. So these looked good, so I picked up 2 packs of these. Picked up a set of rulers, just 2 basic wooden rulers. They had these in different colors. We just went with like the basic black. And then a regular pencil case, just a zippered pouch pencil case. I went with the blue. I wasn't sure which of my kids need this. It has the main bigger pocket, and then it has this other outside pocket, which is just a netting. And then it also has the little rings that you can then put it in a binder. My kids never do, but at least it has that option. But these for $1 is really good because I know that we've priced pencil cases at even Walmart, and they're definitely don't get them for $1. We needed some rubber bands. Got a big old pack of those. It's a variety of sizes, but there's a bunch of different colored rubber bands. These clips, always need these for different like stacks of papers when it's too much to use a paper clip or a stapler. Then these are very, very handy for bigger stacks of paper. Got a set of pens, which came with a bonus colored pen. They had different colors, so I picked the purple one. And I picked up these adorable things. These are Comfort Grip retractable super smooth pens. I just absolutely love all these little patterns on here though. Those are really, really cute. So I picked up a bunch of these 5 packs of index dividers. You get 8 of them every year. My kids need these every single year. And for lunches, I found a few different things. I found these 2 types of containers. So this ice pack comes attached to the lid, and then what you do is you pop it out, which at first is tricky until you figure out how to do it, but then this ice pack pops out, then you're able to stick this in your freezer, keep this in your freezer, and then whenever you are throwing your kids' lunch together, just put it back inside, and it snaps into the lid, and then you've got the ice pack like right there, right up close to the food. I think it's a cute idea. It's like I said, the first time I took the ice pack out, it was a little bit tricky. I thought I was gonna break it or something. You basically just push on it this way and it pops right out. It's really not that hard. But that is a really neat thing, I think. I also picked up these. I think I've seen people haul these before, but I've never seen them at my Dollar Tree. And the bottom half is this little container that would be perfect for a little salad dressing, and then you can put some cut up veggies like they show on the picture. Put some like carrot sticks or celery sticks, and then you have that part of your lunch contained, and then the top half you could put whatever you want. You could put you know, pretzel sticks, cheese cubes, little beef sticks or something. I mean, there's a lot of options for what you can do with this. Then I found this It's like a mini lunch tote. So it has the strap. This came in a variety of colors. Sorry, I was having a little struggle there. So this opens and has like that foil type quilted lining. But if you can see it, it's pretty small. Like the dimensions on this, I don't know exactly what they are, but this is not a full-size lunch tote. It's more like a snack tote. So this sometimes is like just all you need, just the size you need. So I figured for $1, it's nice to have that on hand. Now on to stuff that is not back to school. Birthday. Evan's birthday is coming up later this month. And he's not having a big party or anything, but I did pick up some things to make it festive here. So the first thing is just this sign. It says happy birthday, and it's done in red, black, and blue, and it's like little emojis. I thought those are cute. I mean, he's turning 13. That's fun. I also got the plates that match. We're just having like a family party. And then some balloons that say happy birthday. And then, now, I was kind of bummed about this, but then I thought, he doesn't really care. I got the 13 balloons, but they didn't have the matching. So, like, they didn't have a 3 in silver, and they didn't have a 1 in gold. So, I don't think he'll care. Still says 13. I found one more of these. I had already hauled a shorter one, and it's just the little shadow boxes that I think are perfect. It would be so easy to DIY this with, you could either paint it, you could put another type of paper back in here, you could put a picture in there, wallpaper, wrapping paper, like anything you want could go back in here, or like I said, paint it. But I just think these are really cute, and I picked up the one like a month ago, the shorter one, went back and couldn't find any more, so I was happy to find this one at a different Dollar Tree, but it was the only one they had left. So I found a few books, and sometimes you get lucky like that. Sometimes you find some really, really good books at Dollar Tree. So this one is called, it's by George Saunders. It's The Very Persistent Gappers of Fripp. And this is what it looks like. It is a thinner book, but it is hardback, and its retail price was $22 in the US. Then I got this one, which is a paperback, and it's called The Case Book of Newberry Hobbs. And it says a brand new collection of short stories. So then this one, which is called Burn, it is also a paperback, and it is fiction. But these, like, they looked good to me. They look like something I would enjoy, or my daughters would enjoy, or my son. And then there's this one, which is Walt Disney, and it is The Maker of Magical Worlds. 8 pages of photographs. So in the center, even though it's just a little paperback, in the center of it, it has photos of Walt Disney and his life, and I just think it's pretty cool. My kids are huge Disney fans, so I thought that would definitely be worth picking up and worth $1. I found some really cute mugs. I know they're just very plain, but they are this, like a teal blue, which I love. I love teal blue. They're trimmed in like a brown around the top. And I have this thing about mugs. I picked up 2 of them, but I have this weird thing about mugs. I like to hold a mug that's smooth. I know that probably doesn't matter to most people, but I love, if I'm holding a mug in the morning or whatever, it needs to be smooth. It's bizarre. I can't really explain it, but I love that. And these are very, very smooth, and I love that color. That is just a beautiful tealish color. I picked up 2, and if I go back and they have more, I'm going to pick up 2 more. We have some old mugs up there. That definitely doesn't hurt to replace your mugs once in a while, brighten things up a bit. I also found this sunflower bowl, which I think I love sunflowers. I love sunflowers. So I think whenever it gets closer to fall or into fall, I want to decorate my family room my living room in sunflowers. I just think they're so beautiful. I found these placemats, which are a brown. It's kind of like, it's a fabric. It's not quite like it's not like a burlap or muslin. It's just a nice, slightly rugged brown fabric. And I picked up 4 of these because I have a DIY in mind with them. Picked up this little container. We are organizing Alexa's room, and I think this would be great to hold her like body sprays and perfumes and that kind of stuff. And her main colors are different shades of blue and teal, and I think she has some pink in there too. But I was in the toy section just kind of wandering around. We don't really do much in the way of toys at Dollar Tree anymore. now that my kids are getting older. But I came across these, and oh my, they are so cute. They are little individually packaged Sesame Street toys. Now, part of what I love about them is, well, Sesame Street is just super nostalgic for, like, I think everybody pretty much. But I love that these, when I looked at them closer, they are safe for ages 18 months and up. And I remember having little children and always having to check that. Everything said for 3 and over, 3 and over. And so to get a Dollar Tree toy that is for ages 18 months and up, and something like this at Sesame Street, and I just love that. So I don't even have any kids who are married yet or anything like that, but I bought these for future grandchildren because I'm gonna be a fun grandma and I'm gonna have cute little toys that we keep at my house. And I'm gonna show you all of them that I picked up. My kids think I'm nuts for this, but I just think these are so stinking cute, and I have all kind of plans for whenever I do have grandchildren. Anyway, I picked up the Cookie Monster. And I think this is Rosita. She was newer by the time my kids stopped watching Sesame Street. And of course, Oscar. Gotta love Oscar. Grover. It's hard to pick my favorite. And then Elmo. So I picked up every one they had. I don't know if these are, I mean, Big Bird's not here. But these were every one that my store had left. And my gosh, they're so cute. Yeah, my husband, he doesn't know I bought those yet. He's gonna think I'm nuts. But anyway, that's everything I have. It was a pretty big haul. I appreciate you sticking around if you did. And that 500 subscriber giveaway is coming up soon. I am so thankful to all of you for my new subscribers, my old ones for sticking around, for supporting my channel in any way. And I'm gonna have I believe it's gonna be an Amazon gift card. A $40 Amazon gift card is going to be what I give away for 500 subscribers. I hit that. Last time I checked, I was at 501. I know that it can fluctuate, so I'm not like worried about it. But I'm going to officially open the giveaway in my next video. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you subscribe and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss it when I officially announce the 500 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much for sticking around and for supporting my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. See you next time. Bye.